Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can use Haqq Wallet. So by the end of this video you're going to get the ins and outs on how to use Haqq Wallet, and you're going to also realize you can transfer money and how to receive money as well. If you do want to use Haqq Wallet, there is a referral link down in the description below for you to download Haqq Wallet. Now Haqq Wallet looks like this. It's a bit of an interface that looks like Revolut and Wise as well. It's available on App Store and Google Play, but you can also download through the download APK. It's got non-custodial wallets. You're allowed to stake as well. It secures your assets with an industry-standard hardware wallet. You'll be able to cast your votes on proposals to participate in network decision making. And it's got social login, which is going to come soon. But if we go up and we can see the interface, it shows accounts, staking, governance, and settings. When you go into the account sections, you'll be able to send and receive money. Also, if you want to go into the staking, for you to put some money into the staking on free of fee, then you're going to go into that staking position. Same for governance if you want to cast your votes, and settings if you want to change any sort of your personal details. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.